this person's peace. Okay, they know it, you know it, and you're bringing them so much happiness. Okay, there will be commitment of this person, so if you're wondering where it's leading, that is exactly what's happening here. It's just showing that they've never felt so kind of settled and happy, and it's a very honest and kind of straightforward relationship. So in the past there's been a few disappointments of other people, but this one is definitely different. Okay, so if you're wondering what's happening next, it's just showing this is moving forward in a very positive way. So this is a new love. Okay, this is something that has helped you move forward, and you've gone from a place of emotionally unbalanced to a place of real peace. Communication with this person is the best you've probably ever had. That is what is going to allow this relationship to run smoothly. Okay, there we go. Brand new relationship, moving forward, starting afresh. This looks really, really positive. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. You don't need to worry about this person. They are committing to you. It does keep showing here that you've had a lot of heartache in the past, but that is now over. That cycle has been complete. It's done. And so you can kind of be hopeful about the future. This person is talking about you to other people. There's a lot of praise going on. They could be an air sign, so Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. They could also be Aries, or even an earth sign. But yeah, it's just showing there that this person is very deep and very good at communicating. They're very kind of emotionally available. I do feel as though this person is husband or wife material, and there's a very strong physical attraction between you. It just shows you could rule the world with this person. So if you've met someone new and you're wondering whether it's going to be a commitment or not, it definitely is. I'm going to take a look at some oracle cards now just to confirm, but you definitely have something very special here, and it's looking like it could be long term. So yeah, action's going to be taken here to move this forward. This is a brand new beginning. It's an energy that's got Jupiter around it as well, which is a lucky planet. It's the luckiest planet, and so you might find that it's just getting better and better and better. It's supposed to, and it was supposed to come in as a shock for you because it's kind of been a long time coming. Okay, so if you've been very unlucky in love, this is the divine and the universe kind of paying it back to you. You've had people that have given just mixed signals, and you've not really known whether you're coming or going. This potentially has so many possibilities to it. It's going to be really healthy for you. It's free-spirited, it's adventurous, it's not a risk because you're just going to be so connected, and the talking is key. So even if you're just in talking stages at the moment and you feel like you really know this person and you're on a level with this person like you've never been before, just enjoy it. This is being brought about to change your perspective on love. Maybe you've had that many things go wrong that you've just kind of given up hope. You can still have happiness, and this is it. Do not trap yourself thinking that it's never going to happen. It's going to happen quicker than you think, and it's going to be absolutely wonderful. I feel as though you could have met this person online, or you could just be talking like on WhatsApp or online a lot, and you've not seen much of each other. But I can promise you that when you do see this person, all of your dreams and wishes are going to come true. The chemistry is going to be wild. I feel as though the passion that you're feeling now is going to 100% be there face to face. Or if you've just seen each other a couple of times, and you're excited about this, stay excited. This could be paradise. This could be the best thing that ever happened to you. It's going to be stable. It's going to be secure. You're going to really enjoy one another. So do not resist. Go forward with this.